Fitzgerald Davis and Harriet Manning. Leave a message after the beep and we'll get back to you.
Hey, Mom, it's Mark. I just thought I'd call to let you know I'm alright, but, I guess you're out, so... We've been fighting in the mountains for a while now. It's cold. Almost as cold as it was in Russia. Food's scarce, too. Funny thing, you wouldn't think food would be a problem when you're fighting in your own country, but there aren't many stores around here, and most of them have been looted clean. Anyway, we're holed up in a small town called Cascade Falls, and it looks like there's going to be a big battle tomorrow. Commies are coming at us with everything they got, and we can't let them through, because if we do, it'll all be over. I wish I could explain, but it's kind of a secret. I'm gonna do good tomorrow, though. God knows I've screwed things up before, and I probably should have stayed out of the Army in the first place instead of signing up because of what I thought Dad would think. Well, that doesn't really matter now. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do good. No matter what it takes. Take care, okay? Bye, Mom. I love you.
As the mushroom cloud above Cascade Falls slowly dissipated behind us, we fought on in a blasted wasteland with trees singed black by the wave of searing heat. But at least we were alive. Bannon and the men in his company were not. Their sacrifice had been the key to stopping the Russians, and now Fort Teller was safe. We had to destroy the town in order to save it, but back then I think the irony of that was lost upon us. The EMP from the nuclear blast had effectively silenced the radios, and what was left of our battalion was scattered over the surrounding countryside. We lost contact with the colonel early on. It soon became every man for himself as we tried to get reorganized and fight off Russian stragglers at the same time. The blast had been more powerful than anyone could have imagined. We thought the worst thing that could possibly have happened just had. Little did we know what was to come.
This is Alpha 6 to Bravo 6. Webb to Parker. Come in. If you're getting this, I want you to rendezvous with me at the ford by the old mill. Gather your people and get over here. And Parker, watch out for any Russian stragglers. They're scattered all over the place and they'd love to ambush you.
Grant, moving out. Moving as ordered. Driving to coordinates. Rolling, sir. Bradley APC, moving out. Locking hostiles. Red, push it. Roll, go! Roll on, enemy targeted. Moving to fighting positions, go! Roll on, they're out. Bradley hit. Locking hostiles. Infantry neutralized. APC attacking the enemy. Armored transport going to roll! Roll, go! Bradley, you're going to push.
Good to see you, Parker. Most of my radios have broken down and I wasn't sure I was getting through. I see you bought some repair vehicles as well. Those are a godsend. See what you can do to patch up my vehicles.
Ready?
I wonder what went on in Bannon's head, you know, before he made his decision to sacrifice himself. And all those who went with him, heroes of my book. I hope we will never be forced to use them again. One time is once too many.
We need to gather what troops we can find and then re-establish contact with the colonel. I haven't been able to reach him since we split up. We're moving south. Do what you can to keep us all in good repair. And try to avoid the enemy. Your vehicles won't last long in a firefight. By the way, you did well at Cascade Falls, Parker. Too bad we lost Bannon and Charlie Company. Guess he turned out all right in the end. Wonder how things are going in Seattle. And with the war, for that matter, I haven't heard any real news in weeks. Europe might be totally overrun by now, for all we know.
Brad, rolling.
More Russians. Stay low and take them out.
Leaving. Roll. Armored transport entering combat. Roger, will do. Enemy talking.
Stay together and put some fire on those targets, people. Contact north and south. All units, open fire. We'll handle it, Parker. Just make sure my tanks stay functional.
Heavy engineers.
Persistent bastards, aren't they? You gotta respect their tenacity.
Moving as ordered. Yes, sir. Rolling. Driving to coordinate. Moving out.
Why don't they just give up? We already dropped a nuclear bomb on them.
Recovery vehicle is combat ready.
Clear out those Russians!
Let's start those repairs. Hurry up! Armored transport joining combat. Target vehicle.
Flank them, damn it! Fire and maneuver, people! Fire and maneuver!
Are on the way. Hurry up! Fire that tow! Bradley returning fire at hostile. Let's start those repairs. Mechanics are on the way. Bradley here, sir. Engage the target. Going to push it. Whoa! Armored transport joining combat. We need...
You're damn lucky you found that recovery vehicle, Parker. I don't know what we'd do without you.
We need... Roger, will do. Recovery vehicle, reordered. All right, let's get it. Mechanics are on the way.
These tanks must belong to Wilkins' battalion. I wonder where his main force is. Anyway, you got your work cut out for you, Parker. Get those vehicles moving and don't forget those abandoned Russian tanks. We need all the firepower we can get.
Armor's ready to... Let's fix him up right now. Moving his oil. Commencing repairs.
We're under attack. Stay out of harm's way, Parker, and get those vehicles running.
Heavy engineers ready. Field commencing repairs. Armored transport ready.
Clear out those Russians.
We're rolling, sir. Track leaving. Field repairs on the way, sir. Arm move. Let's fix him up right now. Repair vehicle available. Let's fix him up right now. Moving, departing. Commencing repairs. Heavy engineers ready for duty. Commencing repair. Leaving. Yes, sir. Driving to coordinate. Field repairs on the way.
Stop
sir.
fooling around and see to those repairs, Parker. We don't want to stay here any longer than necessary. My scout spotted some abandoned Russian vehicles not far from here, Parker. Should be some artillery and a repair vehicle. Locate them and see if you can get them running again. But leave someone behind to keep up with the repairs here.
Leaving. Armor's ready to go. Tracks are moving. Moving is ordered. Driving to coordinate. Tracks are moving. Heavy tracks on push. Go! Go! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Drive rolling. Leaving. We got recovery vehicle. Let's fix him up
Good.
right now.
You found them. Fix them up and take command.
Driving to coordinates. Heavy commencing field repairs on the way, sir. We are ready to rumble. Field repairs on the way, sir. Repair vehicle is driving, sir. Let's fix him up right now. Let's fix commencing repairs. Let's fix him up right now. That vehicle's firing at us. Commencing
I didn't know
repairs.
you could beat Cyrillic, Parker. Or maybe you just have a way with machines. Impressive either way.
Recovery vehicle. Let's fix him up right now.
Good. You found them. Fix them up and take command.
We're supporting the... Yeah, got it. Spinning those... Firing at hostile. Hostile targeting hostile. Rolling her up. Mechanics are on the way. Mechanics are on the way. Kill confirmed. All right, let's get her fixed up. Let's start those repairs. Repair vehicle available. Armor moving it. Yes, sir. Armor available. We are moving out. Ready. Heavy moving. Field repairs on the way. Let's fix him up right now. We are ready. We'll repair our vehicle now, sir. Repair vehicle here! Armor tracks are moving. Field
How are those repairs coming, Parker?
Armor, roll! Your order. Roll! Awaiting command. Driving to combat. Tow on target. Missile! Bradley AP heading to go. Roll! Hurry up! Mechanics are on the... Alright, let's get them fixed up. Let's start those repairs. Move in the recovery vehicle now. That tank is through. We're in combat. Enemy down. Bradley, depart. We need...
Good. You found them. Fix them up and take command.
Rolling. Commencing repairs. Field repairs on the way, sir. Heavy engineers ready. Let's fix him up right now, sir. Moving out. Let's fix him up right now. Vehicle wrecked. We're covered. Moving out. Armor driving to coordinates. Tracks are moving. Bradley APC moving out. We are ready to rumble, sir. Yes, Lee. Rolling. Yes, sir. Armor will repair our vehicle now. Repair vehicle available. Commencing repairs. Moving out. We're in combat. We're in combat. We're pushed. Targeted down. All right, let's get them fixed up. Starting repairs on ourselves. Let's start those repairs. They got us targeted. Roll! Your order. Smoke screen's good. We're under attack. Enemy neutralized. Roll! We need... Rolling her up. Armor ready. Armor field repairs on the way, sir. Up right now. Tracks are moving. Launch that tow! Enemy targeted. Move it to front, spin it. Roll! Push it! Yes, sir. Armor available. Field repairs on the way, sir. Commencing repairs. Heavy moving as ordered. We are ready. Affirmative. Gonna do field repairs. Recovery. Let's fix him up right now. Commencing field repairs on the way, sir. Let's fix him up right now. Commencing repairs. Let's fix him up right now. Arm moving out. Rolling, sir. Driving. Rolling. Launching tow. We got us targeted. Launch that missile. Bradley returning fire at hostile. Rolling. Roll. Pops go. Roll. Leaving. Rolling. Departing. Got that tank. Brad, roll, leaving. Rolling. Leaving. Destroyed. Moving is ordered. Brad departing. Moving and attacking the enemy. Awaiting the attack. Armored transport ready. Hurry up. Spinning the go. We're supporting the troops. Yeah, got it. One down, sir. Heading to coordinates. Hostile target defeated. We're going to push it, sir. Moving out. Repair vehicle here. Enemy neutralized. Let's start those repairs. All right, let's start those. All right, let's get them. Mechanics are on the wall. Bradley driving to coordinates. Enemy Bradley APC moving out. Let's start those repairs. Doing combat repairs on ourselves. Yes, rolling it. All right, let's get them fixed up. Rolling it. Let's start those repairs. They got us targeted firm. Awaiting and firing at hostiles. Hurry up. Spinning those trucks. Moving out, leaving. Departing. Recovery vehicle, need orders. Trying to target. Spinning those tracks. All right, let's get them fixed up. All right, mechanics are on the way. Let's start those repairs. You're spinning it? All right, let's get them fixed up. Field repairs on the way, sir. Repair tracks are moving. Let's fix him up right now. Commencing repairs. Heavy moving out. Let's fix him.
Great job, Parker. Every vehicle counts. Now get back here ASAP. All right, that was the last one. I just learned about another gathering further south. Let's get moving. Stay close, Parker.
As ordered. Tracks are moving. Moving out. Driving field repairs on. Let's fix him.
Parker, I've established contact with some fire support. Don't hesitate to put those guys to work.
Bradley APC here. Tracks are rolling. Rolling. Bradley infantry transport ready.
Zulu Niner, we copy. Firing for effect. Over.
Moving to fighting position. What now, sir?
Those damn Russians are everywhere. We're lucky they aren't coordinated. Fire at will.
Spinning, rolling. Rolling around. Rolling into combat.
Rolling! Go! Go!
Awaiting command. Hurry up! Move in the recovery vehicle now! Going to orders, sir!
Yes, sir. Artillery. We'll drive it.
Bradley, go! Heading to coordinate. Locking hostiles. Destroy the target. We're driving to coordinates. Field repairs on the way, sir. Let's fix him up right now. Yes, sir. Field repairs on the way, sir.
Units rolling up. Departing.
Armor's come moving out. Driving to coordinates. Heavy engine moving is ordered.
Yes, sir. Artillery's ready. Target confirmed. Fire.
To pieces. Armor transport ready. Overrun. Armor ready.
Those damn Russians are everywhere. We're lucky they aren't coordinated. Fire at will.
Rolling, sir. Going to push it, sir.
Set up for heavy fire support. Yes, sir. Target received.
Targeted. Fire.
Thanks for fixing us up, Lieutenant.
Bradley here, sir. Rolling, pushing. Heading to control. They got us targeted. Moving. Rolling. Leaving. Commencing repairs.
Our barrage defeated the enemy.
Armor going to roll down.
Yes, rolling out.
Hostile target defeated. Kill confirmed. Yes, we're very
Glad to have you with us, Parker. You're doing a fine job. Now we need to get this sorry bunch up and running.
Field repairs on the way, so let's fix him. Field repairs, let's
Did
fix
you know the Colonel speaks Russian fluently? I guess he picked it up before he went to Vietnam.
Moving is ordered. Drop. Let's fix him. Commencing field repair. Commencing field repairs on the way, sir.
Target the heavy vehicles first. They must have lost contact with their command or they'd be a lot more coordinated. Still, I'm surprised at these attacks. Soviet doctrine doesn't encourage individual initiative. Don't they know when to give up? Fight them off!
Commencing field repair. Let's fix him up right now. Ready to commencing repair. Let's fix him up right now.
You moving into position? Yes, sir. Driving.
Repair vehicle available. Commencing repairs. Yes, sir. Commencing repairs. Heavy rolling. Field repairs on the way, sir.
See to those vehicles now, Parker. We need to get out of here.
Moving. Let's fix him up. Commencing. Let's fix him up. Commencing repairs.
We set up for heavy fire support.
Armor's ready to go. Locking hostile. Armor transport. Join combat. Roger. Will do. Hostile target defeated. Heavy engineers. Moving is ordered. Field repairs on the way, sir. Commencing repairs. Driving to coordinate. Field repairs on the way, sir. Moving out. Tracks are moving. Armor is combat.
Eagle 6 to all units. Anyone out there? Over.
On the way, sir.
Colonel Sawyer, sir. This is Webb.
Eagle 6 to all units. The rally point is set at grid square Kilo 29er. All Eagle elements must...
Heading out, sir.
Eagle 6. Come in. Eagle 6. Well, you heard him, Parker. We need to get back across the river and continue south. Pack it up, everyone.
Commencing repairs. Armor rolling, sir. Moving out. Armor is combat ready. Bradley infantry
Artillery
transport
strike
ready.
anywhere, sir.
Armor is combat ready. We are ready to... Yes, sir. Rolling, sir. Roll. Departing. Leaving.
Copy that. Fire mission received.
Armored
Zulu
tracks
9er out.
ready. Departing. Armor
It's a
moving.
sizable enemy force, Parker, but I believe we can handle it. Everyone, pick your targets and open fire.
Bradley moving and leaving. Armor moving and rolling. Heavy armor is ready to go. Toe on target, sir. Launching on target, sir. Bradley, on departing. We are rolling, sir.
Artillery here, heading to the coordinates. Firing at coordinates.
Damn it! They must be what's left from the attack on Cascade Falls. There's too many of them. Pull back!
Go!
Eagle 6 to Webb. Do you read me? I need a sit rep.
Position.
I read you loud and clear, Colonel. I have Parker with me and we're about 8 clicks from the rally point. It looks like we've encountered the main remnants of the Soviet attack force. Over.
Roger that. Hold tight while I call in some additional support.
Will do, Colonel. Webb out. Parker, try to repair as much as you can while we wait.
Heavy engineers ready for duty. We are ready. Moving. Field repairs on the way, sir. The tracks are commencing repairs.
Yes, driving, moving.
Heavy engineer. Let's fix him up right now. Move. Commencing repairs. We're rolling. Let's fix
Parker,
him.
that chopper must be an artillery spotter. We can expect incoming fire any second. Move your troops to another location or follow me.
Away, sir. Armor ready. Bradley infantry transport ready. Armor's ready to prepare. Let's fix him up right now. We moving out. Rolling.
Don't just stand there, Parker. Get out of the area.
Yes, moving into position.
Bradley, go! Roll! Push it! Push! Roll! We're in combat! Moving to rolling! Spinning the go! Yes, leave to pump leaving. Repair, moving out. Commencing repairs. We are ready to run. Tracks on moving.
Eagle 6 here. I've managed to scrounge up some artillery and air support for you. Make good use of it. Eagle 6 out.
Field repairs on. Let's fix him up right now. Field repairs to
You
Parker.
heard the man, Parker. You designate the targets and I'll keep our people together. Clear out the riverbank first.
Wilco. Fire mission received. Artillery barrage inbound.
Let's fix him up right now.
Artillery barrage turned the target area into
Commencing
dust.
repairs. Let's fix him up right now. Field repairs
Enemy
on
units in
tracks. Let's
target
fix
area
him
got
up
hit
right
hard.
now. Armored tracks leaving.
This is Iceman. Cluster bomb hit for full effect. Understood. Coordinates received. Artillery firing.
Rolling. Leaving. Leaving. Depart. Armors moving as ordered.
Unit rolling out.
Artillery strike was on the mark.
Executing
Zulu
orders,
9er
sir.
out.
We set up for heavy fire support. Sir, we annihilated that tank.
Should have been an artillery spotter, Parker. Now let's get this show on the road.
Moving as ordered. Moving out. Moving out. Moving
Yes,
as
sir.
ordered. Armor. Yes, sir. Moving
Artillery's
to
a moving
repairs
bar
zone,
driving.
sir.
Copy that. Heavy artillery barrage inbound.
There's the rest of them, Parker. And damn that they are counterattacking. Hit them hard.
Artillery barrage turned the target area into dust.
Bradley, leaving. Rolling. We are ready. Moving. Leaving.
Need our support. Moving into position.
Recovery vehicle here, sir. ready. Field repairs on the way, sir. Recovery rolling, sir. For the enemy, sir. Armor tracks are moving. Let's fix him up right now. Yes, sir.
Artillery here.
Repair zone, sir.
Yes,
Parker, a bunch of Russians are trying to flank us. You handle them.
Armor moving.
That was a
Rolling.
successful
Moving.
attack.
Armor moving out.
Contact in all sectors. They're flanking us. Call in the strike danger close, Parker.
This is Zulu Niner. Coordinates locked down. Shells on the way. Zulu Niner, we copy. Firing for effect. Over.
Bradley here, sir. Destroy.
Enemy units in the target area are destroyed.
Repair vehicle. Driving
Good work with the
coordinates.
coordinates. Enemy destroyed.
All right, let's get
Damn it! More Russians inbound, and they're going for a flanking maneuver. Light them up!
Go! Heading to coordinates.
Artillery! Under
Laying down,
attack!
gang. Enemy down. Fire that tunnel. Engage the shoot that target. Bradley returning fire and out. Commencing repairs.
You're patching them up, sir.
We're supporting. Rolling her up. Heading to coordinates. Armor ready. Tracks are moving. We are ready.
Moving, sir.
Driving, sir. Moving. Departing.
We're surrounded. The Russians must have crossed upriver and are now attacking us from all sides. We need all the support we can get. They're coming at us again. Hold that flank, Parker.
This is Eagle 6. You now have full artillery and air support. Wipe those bastards out for me.
I'm leaving it to you, Parker. Keep those strikes coming.
Pushing, sir. Destroy the target.
Thanks for fixing us up, Lieutenant.
Mechanical on the way. Heavy movement. All right, let's get him fixed up.
Good job, Parker. You annihilated that flanking force.
We're leaving. We're waiting. Let's start those repairs. Field repairs on the way, sir. Yes, sir. Armor available.
We've got friendly casualties down there, damn it. Enemy units in target area won't be doing much of anything. Breacher out.
Heavy engineers ready for duty. Affirmative, sir. Gonna do field repairs. We rolling, sir. Let's fix him up right now. Recover. Commencing repairs. Armor ready. Field repairs on. Let's fix him. Commencing repairs. Rolling, sir. Moving and rolling. Repair vehicle here. Mechanics are on the way. All right, let's get her fixed up. Field repairs on the way, sir. Spinning those tracks. Let's start those repairs. They got us targeted.
This is Angel. Stage got a Crompton on the way.
Copy. Firing for effect. Zulu Niner out.
Repair vehicle, go! We got that tank. Going to mechanics are on the way. Let's start those repairs.
Every ordnance dropped as ordered.
That was a really good hit, Parker. They're hurting. You got some real skill, Parker. Did you ever go to artillery school?
Commencing repairs. Recovery vehicle heading out, sir. Field
Artillery
repairs on the way,
barrage
sir.
resulted in no enemy
We are rolling,
casualties.
sir. Let's fix him up right now. Repair track, commencing repairs.
Breacher here. I'm in the pipe, armed and ready. Roger that. Carpet bombing underway. Breacher out.
Driving field repairs on the tracks are moving. Commencing repairs. Rolling some field repairs on the way, sir.
Enemy hostiles at target coordinates have been annihilated. This is Breacher. Those target coordinates were right on the money.
Recovery vehicle will repair our vehicle.
Close
now,
call,
sir.
Parker, but we made it. You sure know how to call in fire support. Now we need to get moving to the rally point.
Excellent job, gentlemen. Fort Teller is finally safe. Now let's push Ivan back to the ocean.
Mike! Has anyone seen my friend Corporal Thompson? Hey, you! Have you seen my friend Corporal Thompson? Hey, Hans! Over here! What's up, man? There you are! I've been looking for your sorry butt all over. Where have you been?
You tell me, man. We were driving out of Cascade Falls. Next thing you know, I'm lying on a stretcher. Medic says I'm gonna be all right, though.
Did you hear about Bannon and Charlie Company?
Yeah, those poor brave bastards.
You need to get off. We're leaving.
Hey, thanks for coming to see me, Ed.
You! I just wanted that fancy new CD player of yours!
Go to hell! I'll meet you at the route.